Hey guys, welcome back to the another session. So in this session, we will be installing the Kubernetes Lens. Kubernetes Lens actually, we will be using this Lens application to see the pod details. Yes, we will be deploying our images to the Kubernetes, right? So in pods, we will be deploying our images to the pods actually. So we will be seeing the pod details. Okay. Uh, the pod will be created with some ID actually. We'll be seeing all these details in the Lens desktop actually. So we can use command prompt as well to see what are the pods are running. Okay, if you want to get the instance of a pod, I can use the commands as well. Like nowadays, like everyone is using the Kubernetes Lens actually. So let's go and install the Lens in our Windows as well. So last time we have installed the Docker. Now this time we will be installing the Lens. So here what we will do is here I have served already. So if you want to install the Lens, so you have type Lens Kubernetes download. Click on this one. So it will be. So we can go down. You can see Lens the Kubernetes IDE. So it is one of the integrated development environment where you can see all the cluster details as well. Okay, so just click on this link. It will be taking you to the K8's Lens website actually. So here it will here we have wide variety of option. Like we can download this Lens actually for the Mac OS, Linux, and the Windows as well. So as of now, I'm using the Windows. So let me go and download for the Windows. So here, once you click on download, so once you click on it will be popping up one download button. So it is asking me to whether I should continue with the download or not. So if I start download, it will download this Lens actually. Okay, so I have the Lens handy with me. I don't want to download it. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll close this one. So let me open the Lens actually. How it will be looking. Let me show you how it will be looking like. So let me open Lens, Windows, Lens, type Lens. See here you can see. So this is the icon you will find actually once you install it. Okay, just open Lens. So it will open up the Lens Kubernetes Lens actually Lens IDE. It will open. See here it is opening. The first time it will take time, 1 or 2 minutes. It will take time to open it. For the next time, so it will load quickly. So here you can see. So here I'm currently at my home page. So this is local to me. So you can see that. So this is a local. Currently it is pointing to my system actually. Okay, if you want to connect to the cloud, you can connect to the cloud. Okay. So as of now, we are not going to do that. So now you can see that welcome to Lens uh, header. So here you can see to get you started, we have auto detected your clusters into Kubernetes config file. Detected your clusters in your Kubernetes config file and added to them into the local config. Okay, so this is the local catalog. So where you can see all the cluster details actually. So whatever the files which we have added, all those files will be there. All those cluster details, the pod details, each and every details will be available in this location actually. Okay, so as of now, I haven't started any. Okay, I haven't deployed any Kubernetes. I haven't deployed any pod. I haven't deployed any image into a pod actually. In my Spring Boot microservices lecture in playlist, I have deployed this, deployed some of the Docker image to the Kubernetes. So if you want to learn that, so just go to that playlist and you can learn it how to deploy the Docker image to the Kubernetes. Okay, and that's all from the session. In the next session, we'll be seeing you the next topic.